Run.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. Today, I thought I'd show you something a little different. In this video, we're going to host our own website as a .onion site, also known as a Tor hidden service. Many people refer to these as dark web websites. For this demonstration, I'll be using a VPS hosted on AWS, but you can follow along using almost any VPS provider. If you prefer, you can even host it on your own local machine. Now I'm updating all installed packages and making sure the server is running the latest security patches before we begin. Now, before we can create our Onion website, we need to install two things on our server: Nginx, which will serve our website, and Tor, which will expose it as a .onion service. To install both of them, run the following command. Now that both packages are installed, we need to enable the services so they automatically start whenever the server reboots. First, enable Nginx by running sudo systemctl enable Nginx. Once that's done, use the same command for Tor. Just replace Nginx with Tor. Sudo systemctl enable Tor. Now that we've enabled both services, it's time to start them. To start Nginx, run sudo systemctl start Nginx. And just like before, use the same command for Tor by replacing Nginx with Tor. Sudo systemctl start Tor. Once both services are running, our web server and Tor service will be active and ready for the next step. Before moving on, let's make sure both services are running correctly. To verify that the Tor service is active, run sudo systemctl status Tor. You should see the status as active, running. Now, use the same command for Nginx by replacing Tor with Nginx. Sudo systemctl status Nginx. If both services show active, running, then everything is working correctly and we're ready to create our website. Now it's time to create our website. To create and edit the main web page, run the following command. Sudo nano/var/www/html/index.html. This will open the index.html file in the Nano text editor. I've already prepared a simple HTML page, so I'll just copy the code and paste it into this file. Once you've pasted your HTML content, save the file. Now, instead of opening the file directly, I first navigated to Tor's configuration directory. To do that, run cd/etc/Tor. Once you're inside the directory, you can view the configuration file using. Since we need to edit the file, open it with nano by running nano torque. Once the file is open, scroll all the way to the bottom and add the following lines. Hidden service dir/var/lib/tor/my_site/ hidden service port 8127.0.0.1:80. The first line tells Tor where to store the Onion service information, including the generated .onion address. The second line tells Tor to forward requests from the Onion service to our Nginx web server running on port 80. After adding both lines, save the file. Now that we've updated the Tor configuration, we need to restart the Tor service so the changes can take effect. To do that, run the following command. Sudo systemctl restart Tor. This will restart the Tor service and load our new Onion service configuration. If everything was configured correctly, Tor will automatically generate a unique .onion address for our website during the restart process. Now it's time for the exciting part. Let's get our .onion address and visit the website. To display your Onion service address, run cat/var/lib/tor/my_site/hostname. This command will output your unique .onion URL. Copy the entire address and open Tor browser. If you're using Brave, make sure to open a private window with Tor enabled. Once the browser establishes a connection to the Tor network, paste your .onion address into the address bar and press Enter. The first load may take a few seconds, so be patient while the connection is established through the Tor network. After the page loads, you should see the website we created earlier. Congratulations! Your website is now live as a Tor Onion service and can be accessed through its .onion address from anywhere on the Tor network.